Please don't throw away your used flaxseed gel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use it to make a powerful deep conditioner that will stop breakage plus add moisture and shine to your natural hair. Now to make this deep conditioner, I'll go ahead and add fenugreek seed. I added 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the flaxseed gel that we used in the previous video to detangle our hair. Now I didn't throw it away. Guess what I did? I saved it so that I can turn it into a deep conditioner. So I'm going to boil it again, and we're going to blend it and turn it into a deep conditioner. Now I'm going to add some herbs to make it even more strengthening, so keep on watching. Did you know that you can boil your flaxseed gel for up to 3 times and still get it up to form gel? When I discovered this, I was like, oh my god, and I've been wasting my flaxseed gel, like really. So I saw that on TikTok that you can actually boil your flaxseed gel over and over again to just enjoy all the maximum benefits. And that is when I finished using it the first time, I decided to save it and use it again for the second time, because throwing it away after using it the first time is a waste of money, sis. Alright, so after boiling it, I left it to cool down a little bit, and then I proceed, correct me, to pour the mixture in my blender so that I can blend it. Now while blending it, remember I said that we're going to add some herbs. The first herb I'm going to be adding is hibiscus powder, sorry. And then the second one is moringa. Hey god, like guys, when I started using these 2 powder, like it changed the way my hair feels and the way my hair looks. These are some of the herbs that helped me to thicken my hair when my hair was really thin. Okay, so if you have not started incorporating these herbs, please make sure to do. I believe you're going to enjoy it. Alright guys, so now that we finished blending, I'm going to pour it over a sieve, and it is time to get our beautiful deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is amazing for all hair types. Trust me, even if you're on relaxed hair, you can still benefit from this deep conditioner. However, what I will encourage you to do is don't deep condition your relaxed hair without detangling it first. Okay, so comb your hair, your relaxed hair, comb it properly to detangle it before you go ahead and use this if your hair is relaxed. Okay, yeah, and if your hair is natural, then this can be your detangle. All you have to do is just dampen your hair with water, run your fingers to it, and start applying your deep conditioner. Can you see how beautiful this deep conditioner looks? Okay guys, I don't know if you feel it looks beautiful, but I know that it looks beautiful. So this is what my hair looks like after I finish shampooing my hair. And do you know that you can actually use this deep conditioner before you wash your hair? Like you can use it in form of a pre-poo to detangle your hair first before going into shampoo, but in my own case I'm using it as a deep conditioner. Now there are different ways that I use oil on my hair, and this is one of the ways. I've shared some of them on my channel. You can check my videos to see what I'm talking about. So one of the ways I use oil on my wash day is to apply it before I apply my deep conditioner. So I go ahead and apply my oil on my scalp and on my entire hair from the roots all the way to the end, and then I'll work it in, and I'll go ahead and apply my deep conditioner on top. Try this way and let me know how your hair feels after you finish washing off your deep conditioner. You can actually do this way even with a store-bought product. Like with a store-bought product, like it's even amazing. You can actually even pour the oil inside the products. Like you can cut out the one that you want to use at that point. If your cup is still full, cut out the one you want to use and pour your oil inside, mix it up together, and then apply on your hair. Guys, like this is a game changer. Try it and let me know what your hair looks like. Now can you see the beautiful coils that this is giving my hair? Yes, and this is something that would have we would have discarded and call it done, but now it is serving us. So I hope you're learning something from this video. Next time, don't just throw away your flaxseed gel after using it for the your flaxseed your flaxseed after using it for the first time. You can keep it in your freezer, provided you are preserving it so that it doesn't get spoiled. I've not actually kept it outside to see how long it stays in a room temperature before it gets spoiled, so I've not tried that, but I believe keeping it in your freezer is the safest way. Freezer or fridge, whichever one that is working. So instead of throwing it away, you can just save it in your freezer, and when next you want to pre-pull your hair, detangle your hair, you can boil it again. Just maybe you will reduce the quantity of the water, but I don't even think the water matters. Just boil it again and then save it again. Just boil and then still save the flaxseed, and then next time you can still boil it up to 3 times, my friends, and I tell you, it will still give you a jelly consistency. It is mind-blowing, honestly. And it saves money. Like, see, something that you would have just discarded is serving you good. So who says that natural ingredients are not amazing? Like, they are really the safest alternative to store-bought, and most times they give you the same results, if not better. If not better, especially if you're trying to avoid using chemical on your hair. Now, how you apply this deep conditioner on your hair is, like I always preach, working section your hair into mini twist or bantu knots. I love to use either twist or bantu knots on my wash days to section my hair, and then apply the deep conditioner on each section. Work from the roots, please. Apply this on your scalp. It's not going to clog your scalp or anything. You are safe to apply this directly on your scalp. Okay, so apply it on your scalp, work your way down the ends of your hair, and while you are applying it, make sure that you finger detangle first. Okay, finger detangle, and then you comb your hair. All right, and then once you're done, you can now twist the hair or put it back in a bantu knot and keep it out of the way. You follow the same pattern, the same routine until you are completely done with all of your hair. And once you're done, you cover your hair and let it sit for 30 to 1 hour. Please let it sit up to 1 hour if you have the time, and if you don't have the time, there's no problem. Just cover it and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. And once the time is up, go ahead and rinse it off. You can decide to just rinse it off, or you can decide to rinse it off with a rinse out conditioner, whichever one that you choose. In my own case, sometimes I don't rinse out with rinse off conditioner, especially if I want to still have the feel of the deep conditioner, depending on what I use. All right, if I'm using a store-bought, I definitely don't need rinse out conditioner. If I'm using a DIY, depending on the particular treatment I'm using, I might want to still leave a little on my hair, so I will not use a rinse out conditioner. But I feel like on these days, like, I used a rinse off conditioner to rinse out my hair. So just do what you feel is okay for you. Okay, and yeah, this is my entire hair done. And look at the coils once again, sis. Like, look at that, all from a natural product, natural ingredient that you successfully made in the comfort of your home. Isn't it amazing? If you've not given DIY treatment a trial before, maybe you should try now, and then just see how it feels, how your hair accepts it, and all of that. All right guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Please, if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to enjoy more of this kind of content, or even suggest what you want me to film in my next video, and I will make that happen. Thank you so much for riding this journey with me today, and until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself, and bye.